Welcome to Honey's Kitchen. Hope you all are doing well. Today's recipe, Mysore Bonda. Items required for this recipe: all-purpose flour, rice flour, curd, green chili, cumin seeds, salt and baking soda. Take a bowl and add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of green chili, half tablespoon of cumin seeds, half tablespoon of salt, 1 pinch of baking soda, 1 cup of curd. Mix it well. Add little bit of water and make into thick consistency. Keep the pan on the stove and heat the oil for deep fry. Take a bite of dough, make into round ball and drop into oil one by one. And make sure bonda should be turned into golden brown on medium flame. Now I am going to prepare peanut chutney. Peanuts, red chili, garlic cloves, cumin seeds, salt, roasted chana dal and salt. Keep the pan on the stove and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add dried red chilies, 1 cup of peanuts, 4 garlic cloves, half tablespoon of cumin seeds and salt for 1 minute. Add 2 tablespoons of roasted chana dal and roast for 5 minutes on medium flame. Take into mixer and add 1 tablespoon of salt and make into smooth paste. Take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add red chilies, mustard and cumin seeds. Now tempering into peanut chutney. Mysore Bonda is ready to serve. You can have it with peanut chutney. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Honey's Kitchen. For watching more videos, please hit the bell button for notification.